12 Coolest RV Gadgets for Ultimate Traveling Freedom. A cross-country trip on an RV is the best way to mingle with Mother Nature properly. But, setting up your gadgets isn't very easy. That's why we've come with 12 cool RV gadgets you might have missed, that can ease and enhance your joy for traveling. Number 1. Bogwang Portable 20 Watts RV Solar Panel. Power is a great concern while traveling into the wilderness. A portable solar panel is a great way to recharge your devices, batteries, and back yourself up in sudden power failures to prevent dangers. The Bogwang panel is a great value, and just the right size to carry and recharge your systems. Number 2. Garmin RV785 GPS Navigator. GPS Navigator is a must-have yet overlooked item for RV. It can show you the best routes towards the destination, and save you from losing your directions. Garmin 785 provides a custom route by accounting for your RV weight, and also come with friction mounts. Number 3. Coleman Sundome Tent. Traveling is incomplete if you don't have options to sleep under the sky. Carrying a good tent can make all the difference. Weatherproofing, great ventilation, and 2-person capacity make the Coleman tent a great choice under your RV gadgets. Number 4. Alix Survival Gear Kit. Safety is the #1 priority in any adventure. With that in mind, survival kits can be life-saving in sudden events while traveling. They contain various tools like wrenches, knives, screwdrivers, etc. Alix kit ups the game at a reasonable price and added earthquake aid. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Maker. Need to fill your appetite on the go? Carrying cooking equipment adds up the weight on travel. You can prepare double the amount of sandwiches and omelets at the same time with the Hamilton Beach. Number 6. Green Yee Heavy Duty Rear Camera. It's often problematic to look behind and track what's happening surrounding bulky vehicles like RVs, trailers, or pickups. Using a waterproof heavy-duty camera on the outside can be a great help. The Green Yee also comes with night vision IR support for a pitch-black scenario. Number 7. Kululi Classic Mini Refrigerator. Often people miss having fresh cold beverages while traveling on RVs. A mini refrigerator can save a lot of hassle while cooking food continuously and not being able to store it. Kululi Mini 4 liters fridge adds the option to warm your food too. Number 8. Lifetime Adjustable Utility Folding Table. Carrying a whole table can get messy on your tour. You can always use folding tables with extensive adjust points to make things easier within tight space. Number 9. Jocko Elite Pro Plus Tire Pressure Gauge. Checking your RV tire pressure is very important to prevent sudden tire puncture or damages. You can use good quality analog tire pressure gauges to ensure safety. Jocko offers up to 160 psi pressure level with high accuracy. Number 10. Weber Premium Charcoal Grill. Want to enjoy steaks and grills on a bright day of RV trip? Carry a portable charcoal grill to make your barbecue on the go. Instead, go for the best you can give, and gradually improve yourself. Simple Human 10 liters trash can. On a cross-country trip, waste management can become difficult. You can add a good quality trash can with pedals like this in your gadgets list to get rid of wastes promptly. Camco Rhinoflex RV Sewer Hose Kit. Another overlooked RV gadget that can change your travel experience is a good sewer kit. Consider taking a durable kit with lug fittings like the Camco for the best experience. These are our top 12 picks for cool RV gadgets. Combine these to your travel list to completely immerse yourself without any worries about management.